Serving all of Maine and New Hampshire, Northeast Sewer and Drain provides the most environmentally friendly, no-digging, trenchless plumbing repair. It's called Cured-in-Place Pipe Repair. Our non-disruptive pipelining system allows your sewer line to be fully rehabilitated and back to working condition in less than a day. We first remove any roots and scale buildup by inserting a high-speed rotary chain cleaner that moves down the pipe, grinding away any obstruction. Remaining debris is washed away through hydrojetting, which uses highly pressurized water to scrub the interior of the pipes, leaving the pipes ready to be lined. After cleaning, we insert a small but powerful camera in your pipeline to assure that the pipes are ready to be lined. A piece of flexible liner is then cut to fit the entire length of the pipe. Next, a resin mixture is poured directly into the liner opening. The liner with vacuum seal attached is then fed into a table roller to ensure every inch of liner is fully saturated with resin. The prepped liner is then coiled inside an inversion drum. Next, the start and end of the liner is securely fastened to the inversion drum nozzle, making an airtight seal. Air pressure pushes or inverts the liner into the pipe all the way down, through the interior of the pipe. Next, a calibrated balloon-like tube or cow tube is inverted into the liner, pressing the liner against the interior of the damaged pipe. The cow tube is then filled with hot water, which allows the liner to cure in about an hour and a half. Optionally, a UV light can be sent all the way down the pipe, quickly curing the new liner. Once cured, the cow tube is deflated and removed, leaving a clean and smooth new pipe. Without digging up your property, trenchless sewer repair will structurally reinforce your existing pipes to last decades. If you would like to learn more about our trenchless sewer repair process, give us a call today at 207-651-6290 or visit our website at northeastsewer.com.